Welcome, student. In the process of revision, here we are going to revise that countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay. There are some kinds of nouns, that is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. With that we have also a collective countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Count uncountable countable means that nouns that noun name things that can be counted. Uh, there are countables means you can use a and an before countable nouns. For example, an ox, three doctors, a few coins, many rivers, one mango. Countable nouns can have a plural form. Countable nouns can have a plural form. Okay, such as another form, that is the uncountable nouns. The uncountable nouns means that we can that things cannot be counted. The noun name things that cannot be counted. They are known as uncountable nouns or non-counts noun. You cannot use a or an before uncountable nouns. Uncountables nouns do not have a plural form. You can use much, a little, enough, etc. before uncountable nouns. A little salt, some luggage, enough coffee. These are some examples, okay, of uncountable nouns. So, student, here are the exercise of the uh, this lesson. Okay, here are the exercise of this lesson. We are look at the exercise of this lesson. That is the first question of the pick up the nouns from the correctly column. Okay. Pick up the nouns from the correctly from the columns. Okay. There are many crabs. There are many crabs in Bihar Lake. There are many crabs in Bihar lakes. In this, crabs crabs are noun plural form, in a plural form, and the proper noun is Bihar Lake. Okay. Raymond Circus is coming to town. So common noun is a town, and Raymond Circus is a proper noun. Most Parsis speak Gujarati. Parsis speak Gujarati. Okay, so Parsis are common noun. Gujarati also common noun. Okay. Mickey likes hockey, chess, and tennis. Mickey is a common proper noun, and tennis and chess are common noun. Pick out the nouns and put them correctly in the column. The regiment was rewarded for its bravery. So here from this sentence we have to find out abstract noun, material noun, and collective noun. Okay. So the regiment was rewarded for its bravery. The regiment was rewarded for its bravery. Here abstract noun is bravery. Material abstract noun is bravery, and collective noun is a regiment. Air is known for its transparency. Air is known for its transparency. Okay, air is a common noun. Material noun. Air is a material noun. Okay, and transparency is an abstract noun. Transparency is an abstract noun. Mercury is used to measure pressure. Mercury is used to measure pressure. So the mercury is a material name, and the pressure is a abstract noun. Okay. The staff worked with great patience. The staff worked with great patience. Staff is a collective noun. He lifted the bale of cotton. So the cotton is a material name. Here you have to complete this puzzle. Okay, and send it to me on my phone. Okay. So we will stop here.